This video will show you how to import resources from Excel into UniPhi. Start by going to the Resources module and pressing the Upload icon. In UniPhi, you will need to have contacts, sites, and organizations. Ensuring that every organization has a site and a contact person will make other processes, such as contracts management, significantly easier in UniPhi. These three filters allow you to select what information you want to match the data on when importing. For organization, it is best to update based on ABN to prevent doubling up. For site, you can just select site name, and for contacts, use contact name or email address. Once you have made your selections, open up your Excel file. We recommend having all of the information shown here, as a minimum, to get the most out of UniPhi. Highlight the full data range, including the heading row, and copy it. Then go back into UniPhi and paste the data in the box. Now you will need to map the columns, using these drop-down lists, so that UniPhi knows where the information in each column needs to go. When you are ready, press the green Save icon to import. Rows that imported successfully will be highlighted in green, and rows that failed to import will be highlighted in red. You can hover over the red cell to find out why the import failed, and adjust accordingly. When you are done, press the X icon to close the import screen. You will now find the resources in this page. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.